Let us show you how to unpack and initialize your MindSpring scanner. First, open the box. Please unpack your scanner, remove all packaging material, and place it on a plain surface. The MindMi system pack contains MindSpring scanning equipment, power adapter, UTP cable, quick start guide, and EC declaration of conformity. A plug adapter can optionally be delivered. Let's take a look at the MindSpring scanner. On the top left-hand side, the scanner has an Ethernet port, a reset button, a power jack, and an on-off button. Before starting the initialization procedure, please make sure you have the following: a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, a computer with an Ethernet port or USB 2 to Ethernet adapter, an Ethernet cable that will be used to connect the scanner to the computer, and a modern web browser with one of the latest versions installed: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Now you can connect the power adapter to an electrical network between 100 and 220 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Connect the power adapter to the MindSpring scanner using the power jack. Please don't turn it on yet. Take the Ethernet cable and plug one end into the computer's Ethernet port and the other end into the scanner's Ethernet port. Now, turn on the scanner using the on-off button. If the scanner is correctly connected to the power socket, the power LED on the scanner will be orange. Please wait for about 1 minute. This is the amount of time needed for the scanner's operating system to start. Afterwards, the ready LED should be red. Please press and hold the reset button of the scanner for about 6 to 7 seconds. Then wait for the ready LED to turn orange. You can now open the web browser and in the address bar, type in the server address specified in the Quick Start Guide. Press Enter. This is the first page of the Setup Wizard. You can change the preferred language of the interface from the top right corner of the page. You have the possibility to choose between English, French, German, Spanish, and Romanian. Depending on the type of internet connection you have and want to use, please select between Wireless Setup and Wired Setup. Today, we are going to choose Wireless Setup. The other available options are described in the Quick Start Guide. The system automatically detects all the wireless networks available in your range and displays them. You can choose to connect to a network from the list or to manually add a new network. For each network, the signal strength is displayed before the name, and each network has a Connect button. If you want to connect to a network from the list, please click on the Connect button next to it. In case the network is password protected, a window will pop up asking for the wireless network password. Please enter the password and click the OK button. In a few seconds, if all data provided is correct, the connection will be established. The Connect button will now display the word Connected and should have a different background color. You will see this network move to the top of your list. In order to finalize the initialization procedure, after performing the previous steps, please click on the Apply Changes button on the left sidebar. This marks the final step of the initialization process. Now wait for the device to sync. After you apply the changes, close the browser window. Remove the Ethernet cable between the computer and the scanner, and please wait for approximately 1 minute for the scanner's operating system to start. In case you've configured a wired connection, please plug the internet cable into the scanner's Ethernet port. After the waiting period, the ready LED on the scanner should be green. You are now ready to use the scanner because it has properly established a connection to the internet. Please keep in mind that each time you change the internet network settings, name, password, and configuration, and every time you want to move your scanner to another office, you will need to reapply the described procedure to the scanner. If not, the scanner will not be able to communicate with the system and you will not be able to use it.